Hello, I wanted to show you my Böker Club Knife Gentleman with desert ironwood scales and N690 steel. Brass liners, beautiful old-fashioned look, slip joint with a half stop, perfectly flush in all the stops, long pull with a serrated thing there for the match strike. Beautiful old-fashioned styling, nickel bolsters at both ends, a swedge makes it nice and smooth in the pocket. It's a really nice pocket friendly folding knife, unassuming, not scary in any way. Lovely logo there, tree logo. There we go, the Böker Club Knife Gentleman with desert ironwood scales. Lovely, isn't it? Bye.